Okay, Sarah, breathe. It is just a supermarket. It is not prison. I can do this. I need to pay rent. Rent is important. Oh no, shift starts in 5 minutes. Shift means my work time. The hours I have to be here. Okay, goodbye fashion blogger Sarah. And hello supermarket Sarah. Step 1. The customer service smile. It is fake, but it is necessary. Fake means not real. I am not actually happy to see people at 7 a.m., but I pretend. I walk to my register. My register is number 4 today. I sign into the computer. This is my workstation for the next 8 hours. And now we wait for the first customer. I hope they are nice today. Good morning! Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's too early for questions. Just scan the stuff.
Did you find everything you were looking for? Is a standard question we ask to see if the customer needs help.
I start scanning. The sound of my life today. Would you like a bag for the heavy items, or can I leave them in the cart?
Wait a minute! That pizza was supposed to be on sale! Why is the price so high?
I'm sorry, sir. Let me check that for you. On sale means the price is lower than usual for a short time. I'm sorry, sir. That discount only applies if you have our loyalty card.
Do you have a membership?
A membership or loyalty card gives you special discounts that regular customers don't get.
Fine. I think I have it somewhere. Let me look.
Wait a minute! That sign said $3, not $6! This is a ripoff!
I'm sorry, sir. That price is only for customers with a loyalty card. Do you have one? A loyalty card is a membership card. It gives you special discounts and lower prices on certain items.
Loyalty cards, coupons, why can't things just be one price? I don't think I have it!
No problem. You can also enter your phone number on the keypad to get the discount. He enters his number. Most people prefer this over carrying a physical card around. There we go. That brought the price right down to $3 as the sign said. Now I start bagging. Bagging means putting the items into bags for the customer to carry. I always put fragile items, like eggs or bread, on the very top so they don't get crushed.
Good. Don't break the eggs. My wife will kill me if those eggs are broken. I hope this works. I can never remember which number I used.
There we go. The discount has been applied. That brings your total down significantly. Would you prefer paper or plastic bags today? Or did you bring your own?
Plastic is fine. Just double bag the milk. I don't want it breaking in my car.
I start bagging. Bagging means putting the items into bags. It's like a game of Tetris. That's it. Just 10 digits and you're all set for the savings. There we go. The price adjusted to $3. You saved $3 today. Would you prefer paper or plastic bags? Or did you bring your own? Bagging means putting your groceries into bags. We try to be careful with fragile items like eggs. I always put the heavy items at the bottom and the light or soft items on top so they don't get crushed. Your total comes to $14.50. How would you like to pay today?
I'll pay with the card.
Cash. Here's a 20. Keep it moving. I'm in a hurry. Out of 20, That's $5.50 is your change. 5 and 50.
And here is your receipt. Would you like it in the bag or in your hand? Have a nice day. Next in line, please.
Thanks, you too. Sarah? Is that you behind that bright yellow vest?
Shh, don't let me cover as a normal person. How are you, Tom? To be undercover means to hide your real identity so people don't know who you are. Like a secret agent.
Just the oat milk today?
No party snacks for the weekend?
Just the essentials for now. Are you almost done with your shift? We're grabbing coffee later.
That was fast. Most people use contactless payment now. You just tap and go.
Contactless means you don't need to touch the machine or use a PIN code. It uses radio waves to pay instantly.
I wish I could join you for coffee, Tom. But I still have 4 hours left on my shift.
Hang in there! The time will fly by. See you later, Supermarket Sarah!
Next guest, please. Hello, how are you today?
Good afternoon, ma'am. It's lovely to see you again. How are you today? Hello, Sarah. I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm doing well, dear. But I couldn't find the special tea that was on sale.
Out of stock means the store has sold all of an item. The shelf is empty and we need to order more. Don't worry, ma'am. I can give you a rain check so you can get the sale price when the tea is back.
A rain check is a piece of paper that lets you buy an out-of-stock sale item at the lower price later.
Thank you so much, dear. You are always so helpful to an old woman like me.
And let's scan this coupon for your honey. That's another 50 cents off.
A coupon is a piece of paper or a digital code that gives you a discount on a specific product.
That will be $4.20, please. Take your time, ma'am.
Have a wonderful afternoon. Watch your step on the way out.
I bought these yesterday and they don't work. I want my money back. I want a refund.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. Do you have the receipt with you? I need it to process the return. A refund is the money the store gives back to you because you are not happy with the product or it is broken.
I don't have the receipt! I threw it away! Can't you just see that I bought them here?
Our store policy requires a receipt for a cash refund. However, I can offer you store credit or an exchange. Store credit is like a gift card for our shop. You can use it later to buy anything else you need. An exchange means you give us the broken item, and we give you a new one that works perfectly.
Okay, I'll just take the exchange. I really need the light bulbs for my kitchen tonight.
Great choice! I'm just updating the system. Here is your new set of bulbs tested and ready. There we go. Another happy or at least satisfied customer. Next in line, please. Finally, it is time for my lunch break. My stomach is making very loud noises.
A lunch break is the period during my shift when I can stop working to eat and rest for 30 minutes.
I'm heading to the deli section. Everything smells so good, it's hard to choose.
The deli, short for delicatessen, is where you buy ready-to-eat foods like salads, sandwiches, and cooked meats.
A chicken Caesar wrap! This will be perfect and fast. Now, I just need to find a quiet place to eat. Here it is, the break room. My sanctuary away from the price check requests and the long lines.
A break room is a private area for employees to eat, relax, and talk during their non-working hours.
Hey Sarah, rough morning? You look like you've seen 100 Gregs today.
Ugh, don't remind me. Only one Greg, but he was enough for the whole week. I just need 5 minutes of silence. I check my phone to see what's happening in the fashion world. It's my way of staying connected to my real passion.
So, Mike, did the manager ask you to stay late today? Are you doing any overtime?
Yeah, a couple of hours.
Overtime refers to the extra hours you work beyond your regular schedule, usually for extra pay.
Yeah, I'm doing 2 hours of overtime. We're short-staffed in the produce section. It's gonna be a long night.
Oh no! My 30 minutes are up already? Where did the time go? I'm not ready to go back! Duty calls. Back to register 4. Wish me luck, Mike. I hope the afternoon goes by quickly.
Oh, wow!
That is a lot of detergent.
Are you opening a laundromat today?
Maybe I should.
To buy in bulk means to buy a large quantity of the same item at once, usually to save money or time. Price check on register 4 for the jumbo detergent, please. We need to verify the bulk discount. A price check is when an employee confirms the correct cost of an item if the computer or the customer is unsure.
I'm sorry for the wait, sir. The manager needs to authorize the bulk discount on my screen. It will just be a moment.
Is there a problem with the bulk discount, Sarah? Let me take a look at the system. I'll perform a manager override. This will apply the 15% bulk discount for the customer.
An override is when a manager uses a special code or key to change something on the computer that a regular worker cannot. All set, sir. You saved over $40 today.
Have a great day and good luck with the laundry!
The afternoon slump is real. My feet hurt and the clock seems to be moving backward. It's 5 o'clock, rush hour. Everyone is coming from work and everyone is in a bad mood.
Rush hour is the busiest time of day when people are traveling home from work and doing their shopping at the same time.
I'm sorry, sir. This is the express lane. It is only for customers with 10 items or less. The regular lines are over there.
An express lane is a special checkout line for people who are only buying a few things, so they can pay quickly.
Scan, bag, pay. Scan, bag, pay. I am a machine. I am a scanning machine. No, no, no. Not now. The computer just froze. Everything stopped working.
Technical difficulties is a polite way to say that the technology, like the computer or the internet, is broken or not working correctly.
I am so sorry, everyone. We are experiencing some technical difficulties. Please bear with us while we reboot the system.
To reboot means to turn the computer off and then turn it back on again to fix a problem. It's the oldest trick in the book.
It's back. Thank goodness. Okay, let's get this line moving again. Thank you all for your patience. The rush is finally over. Now I have to clean my workstation. It's important to leave it tidy for the next person.
A workstation is the specific place where an employee does their job. For me, that's this register and counter.
Yo, Sarah! Shift change! Step aside, Sarah. The night owl has arrived to take over register 4.
About time.
A shift change is when one group of workers finishes their work and another group starts their scheduled time. I count my drawer one last time and hand it over to the office. Leo is ready to go. My work here is done.
I'm ready.
Off with the vest. I'm officially a civilian again. It feels so good to be back in my own clothes.
In this context, a civilian is someone who is not on duty or at work. I'm just a regular person now.
The irony is that now I'm finished working, I actually need to do some shopping for myself.
Irony is when something happens that is the opposite of what you expected, like working at a supermarket all day and then staying to shop. Now that I'm on the other side of the counter, I see the store differently. I'm looking for high-quality items for my dinner. A nice bottle of white wine for tonight. I deserve a small treat after that 8-hour shift. The lines at the registers are still a bit long, so I'll use the self-checkout. It's much faster when you only have a few things. Self-checkout is a machine that allows you to scan, bag, and pay for your own groceries without a cashier's help. See? I've had a lot of practice today. I'm probably the fastest customer in the whole store. Oh, right. I bought wine, so I need an ID check. Hey, Leo, can you verify that I'm definitely old enough?
I don't know, Sarah. You look about 12 today. I'm going to need to see some ID.
Very funny, Leo. Here, look at the date. I've been working here longer than you have.
Identification or ID is an official document like a passport or driver's license that proves who you are and how old you are.
Thanks, Leo.
Good luck with the rest of the night shift.
Don't let the self-checkout machines win. Finally, I'm heading out. The air feels so fresh after being inside all day. My shift is done, my shopping is done. It's finally quiet. Walking home after a long shift is my favorite time to think. The air is so cool and crisp. We learned so many words today, from scanning at the checkout to saving money with a bulk buy or a coupon. Don't forget about getting a refund, using a rain check for out-of-stock items, and the speed of self-checkout. Even though it's hard work and the customers can be difficult sometimes, I actually like helping people. It makes the day feel important. There it is, home sweet home. I can't wait to take off these shoes and finally relax. Finally, no more barcodes, no more receipts. Just me, my tea, and a good book. This is the best part of the day. I hope you enjoyed coming to work with me today. Learning English is like working a shift. It takes effort, but the results are worth it. Keep practicing your supermarket vocabulary. Next time you go shopping, try to name everything in English. See you soon! Good night, everyone. Happy learning!